Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about fixing a mailbox that is either rotted out, been run over in my case, or just come out of the concrete post. So here's the old post right here where it was kind of rotted and somebody hit it, and I have a tool that I'm going to use to try to get it back in there and pour some more concrete over it. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to fix a fence post that's rotted out, or mailbox that has been knocked over or rotted out from its concrete base. And there's kind of a picture diagram of how it works. So here's the step-by-step instruction manual. It is paintable, so you can always paint over it if you're worried about cosmetics, but this kind of just walks you through the steps on how to insert it and screw it in. It was honestly a really easy process, and they provide you with most of the tools you need to get this done. It's like I said, you can just pause it on this video, but it walks you through the steps on how to complete this process. All right guys, this is after I've supported it. I've dug out around the concrete because we're going to be pouring more concrete. So this just allows us to set it, make sure it's level, and before we put the brace in and pour the concrete. Okay, so I found this product online. It's called the Post Doctor. And like I said, it was just, for if your mailbox has been knocked over like mine, or if your fence posts have rotted out, this provides a way to get it in there and put some concrete around it. I have the post off. I'm gonna try a different way just to see if it works better. I'm gonna try to put the post in, the fence post brace first, and then I'm gonna try to put in the post after. Okay, so I'll put the 2x4 on there. I'm gonna hit it with this sledgehammer. You don't have to hit it that hard, just give it a little hit there. All right, so I was able to drive that fence post brace down. I got it down in the concrete pretty good, so I'm just gonna try to slide the fence post, or mailbox post in this situation, into the brace itself. All right, so now that I have the post in the brace, I want to go ahead and level it and make sure it's level both this way and that way. And then I have a axe there I'm using to brace it. So we get it about where we want it here, which is this way. It's already pretty level. And then we want to also get the other way, and that way needs to be moved a little bit. All right, and there you have it. Okay, so now that I had it leveled, I inserted the first screw, which will be the front screw, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the two side screws where there's already a hole in the brace. Okay, so using the drill bit they supplied, it allows you to drill through this 1/2-inch hole, and you want to go about halfway into the middle of the post. All right guys, so this is the morning after. You can see I've put the concrete in and let it dry overnight, and it's good to go. It's braced in there and leveled. So that's the project of fixing a mailbox post with the Post Doctor brace.